Good morning. So today, just had my sister coming by, social distancing still, day 5 quarantine, but got to say hi to her, and now I am working, finally. I am a translator for movies and TV shows and all that kind of fun stuff, subtitling and stuff like that. So now I am gonna work all day, try to get through some new episodes and some new stuff. Anyway, that's my day so far. It's about noon, August 22nd. So yeah, we'll see what this day brings. I think it's gonna be a calm one. I finally had a very, very good night's sleep. I feel like I'm catching up on a few things. So that's good. I know it's going to be a very stressful day for Cody. He's probably going to call me any minute now. It's 7 a.m. in New York, and he has guests coming to live on the boat for one night for our B&B. And he has work all day on the Gaffrey schooner that he sails on during the summer. So yeah, it's going to be very stressful. I just want to call him and ask him to remember to buy those guests breakfast, because yeah, it's a bed and breakfast. Have to provide breakfast. At least that's what we do. So, oh man, it's so much easier when I'm there and I can control everything. Yeah, how are you?
Great. I'm doing great.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Are you?
I'm doing just fine. Waking up this early to do all this laundry.
How did you sleep?
Pretty good. I should have probably taken advantage of that rain day and cleaned the inside first, but I wanted to do the outside now I'm working my way back.
I thought you did the inside already.
Well, I halfway cleaned it.
Okay.
But I still have, I don't even have an outboard on the dinghy right now. It's ridiculous.
Well, 2 more days and then you can catch a little break in the morning maybe.
Oh yeah?
Well, I think so. I'm actually gonna double check for you. Yeah, Monday is 4 to 8. Or
Yeah,
just that, yeah, only sunsets for 3 days.
That sounds like my kind of adventure.
Yeah, I'm glad you get a little break because next weekend's gonna be wild for you.